Hello, families. My name is Allison LaFaro. I am the reading interventionist for grades 3 through 5 here at Preston. I have been lucky enough to work with some of your children in first grade, and I'm looking forward to meeting many more in my new role as reading interventionist. My goal for your child this year is to provide a safe environment for your child to learn and practice skills and strategies to become a more successful reader overall. This year, your child will have her own personal reading goals. In order to reach his or her goals, your child will take part in word study activities, vocabulary discovery and application, comprehension tasks, fluency practice, group academic conversations, and writing about reading activities. Your child will be given 30 to 40 minutes of reading intervention services each day as allowed. A variety of models will be used to provide intervention services, co-taught lessons in the classroom, and pull-out lessons in a smaller reading environment. Small group lessons will be used to further target reading goals. The type of service your child receives will be dependent upon their individual needs. One type of experience your child may take part in is a 20-minute co-taught reading lesson to support the needs of your child in their own classroom. And then after that, 20 minutes of pull-out time into the reading room to practice and complete follow-up in a smaller, more supported environment. Another type of intervention model will look as follows: 40 minutes of small group instruction in the reading room to provide students with more targeted instruction to achieve all literacy goals. At home, your child will participate in a program called iReady. iReady is a personalized instruction that provides students with lessons based on their individual skill level and needs, so that your child can learn at a pace that is just right for them. These lessons are fun and interactive to keep your child engaged as they learn. Please work with your child to log in to iReady about 3 times per week for about 30 minutes. I will provide incentives and charts for completion of this activity. Please visit this website. It provides you with a lot of parent information and how you can support your child at home. In addition to iReady, I will be sending home a bundle of at-home resources this week and throughout the school year. At any time, though, if there are any resources you feel you would like to be provided with in order to better assist your child at home, please feel free to reach out. As far as parent communication, I hope that we have ongoing communication through email, through notes, phone calls, throughout the entire process that we go through with your child. However, more formal communication will be sent home on the report card as a comment. And every 6 to 8 weeks, I will give you a more formal updated progress to communicate growth as well as areas to continue practicing in school and at home. And of course, more frequent communication as needed on both ends. Do not hesitate to reach out to me at any time that you feel that you need the support at home to support your child, or if you just have questions about what's going on, I would absolutely love to be able to provide you with as much as you need to help your child to be successful. This is my contact information. I will also include it in my parent resources. Please contact me at any time to ask questions, to provide feedback, to request resources, or just to talk about concerns you may have at home. You may contact me through email or by calling the office and leaving a message. Open communication is key to your child's success. I look forward to working closely with you this year, and thank you very much for all of your support. I will speak to you soon. Have a good evening.